Hey, what's up, 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀 family? Do you have scratches and scuffs on your ride that you want to remove, but you just don't have a machine polisher? Well, not to worry, because today I'm going to be showing you guys the quickest and easiest way on how to remove them by hand. All right, guys, now before we begin, we want to show you guys the damage here. Now, unfortunately, our friend here, she had a mishap with a shopping cart, and unfortunately, that shopping cart just literally came up to the car. It scuffed up the whole side right here, as you can see. So there's all kinds of scratches. There's paint transfer. Towards the back over here, there's paint missing as well. There's a lot of stuff going on. And to be completely honest with you guys, there's some stuff that unfortunately we're not going to be able to repair. So today we're going to be worrying about what we can repair with a few of our 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀 products. So the first thing that we have to do is obviously clean the surface. Now, I just want to clean the surface to ensure that there's no dirt or grime, but more importantly, show you guys that this right here, it's not just going to come off with the spray and wipe solution. So I'm going to grab something like our Speed Wipe. This is a quick detail spray used for in-between cleanings to remove light dust, debris, bird droppings, fingerprints from your paint, glass, chrome, any kind of smooth, glossy exterior surface. So we're going to start off by spraying that on the affected area. And then all we have to do now is grab a premium microfiber towel and gently wipe it down. All right, so the surface is clean now. Now we can move on to removing the scratches. So the first product that we're going to grab is our C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound. Now this right here is an ultimate paint restore. This is going to remove defects in your paint like scratches, swirl marks, etched thin water spots, oxidation, and so much more. And you can use it by hand or by machine. So to use it, all you have to do is apply a couple drops. In this case, I'm going to start off with 3 and then add more if need be. Once you apply the 3 drops onto your applicator, all you have to do now is simply work it onto the surface to remove the scuff. All right, guys, and just like that, we're all done removing the scuffs by hand. So if there's anything to learn from today's video is that you don't need a fancy machine polisher. You don't need all these extra compounds and polishes and pads or whatnot. All you need is a little bit of elbow grease, some C4 compound, and of course, one of our Hex Logic hand pads. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like. If you guys want to pick up these products, they're located directly on the description down below or in the pinned comment. As always, my name is Joey. This is 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀. We'll see you next time.